Hi me girls, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Travor 19-inch ring light. Here it is here. It's a huge box. I purchased it from Amazon.com and it got delivered to New Zealand using the YouShop service offered by New Zealand Post. I will link the details in the description box below. Okay, so here it is. It's the Travor 19-inch ring light, and it says bi-color 18-inch ring light. So I'm not sure why it's saying 18-inch over here. Let's open this. Now this might be the tripod. And the rest is in this bag. So this is the carry bag for it. It's got the shoulder handle too. So here it is. And we've got the instruction booklet. And the rest of the accessories are in this little bag here. Let's have a look what's inside here. So we have the power adapter. And this must be the phone holder. And the power adapter connection. So that must connect to this one. Okay, let's try that again. Maybe it goes this way. Doesn't seem to fit. So you have to push it really hard. So that's very odd. I think that's now fully in. And this one must be the US connection. And then we have the remote. So you connect this to your phone using Bluetooth. And this one is the hot shoe adapter. So it looks like you can tilt it 90 degrees. And it goes 360 degrees on the top. So this is the ring light, 19-inch. 19-inch is about 48 8.26 centimeters. So let's measure this one. Yeah, so that is the right measurement. That measures at 49 centimeters. So on the back it says model RL-18A LED, and it's got two knobs here. One is the power button, on and off, so it goes from 0, which is off, right up to 100% brightness. And the other knob is for color temperature. You can adjust the color temperature from 3200 warm to 5900 about daylight kelvins. So let's have a look and connect this all together. This part is a bit hard to connect as well, because there's a little kind of button there which needs to go into this hollow here. So I think I have to push it really hard and then twist it. That is really hard. Okay, I think that's in now. That's in now. Okay, let's have a look at this tripod. It's a very wide fit, and it's adjustable up to 2 meters height. Okay, now here's the tripod, and let's put this up together. That locks into place. Let's just undo the cables. And then we'll put on the horseshoe adapter. And then tighten it. Okay, now let's plug in this ring light. It's quite bright. Let's adjust brightness 0 to 100 brightness, and then the color temperature. This is 5900 going down to 3200. Dim it off, back on. Now I'm going to turn the lights off and see how bright it actually is. Okay, let's turn this on. Maximum brightness 5900, 3200, and then let's put the camera on top. It's just tilting a little bit. So that's what it looks like with the camera mounted. And then you can turn this 90 degrees forward and also 90 degrees back. Let's put this right up again. Now I'm going to put the phone holder on. And then put the phone there. Also, you can tilt the phone. Let's try another position. That's a nice position for the phone. Okay, now I'm sitting right in front of this ring light. I'm going to adjust, what is this one? The temperature. That's 5900. Going down to 3200. And then here is the brightness of the 3200. And then I will adjust the color temperature higher, right up to 5900. So this is 5900 at the maximum brightness. This light is very, very, very bright. Okay, let's turn this down a little bit. And then the temperature down. So as I mentioned earlier, this ring light is 19-inch and it has 512 LEDs, 256 of whites and 256 of yellow. And the average life of the LEDs is 50,000 hours. This ring light requires 60 watts of power and the CRI is 90 plus, that's the color rendering index, and it's 5200 lumens. So yeah, I am really, really happy about this ring light. I have been wanting this ring light for the past few months and I finally got it. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!